Hi guys, how are you? Today I decided to make an AÇAI smoothie. So I thought why not show you everything from the start. I'm going to buy the things I needed now and then we will go home and make it together. I hope it turns out delicious. Okay, I'm here at the store now. Let's grab all the things I needed for my smoothie. Here are the strawberries, they look so fresh. You can also get some banana. Also I need peanut butter. And finally the açaí. This is the main ingredient. There are so many types, but this is the one I found it here. I'm going to take 2 of these. Now it's time to pay and go back home so we can make it together and I can show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to my challenge. My name is Selma and today I'm going to make an açaí smoothie. Easy, quick and cheap than coffee shop. Let's get started. I have all my ingredients. First I put 3 big spoons of frozen açaí. Then I add the fruit. I'm adding 5 strawberries, 5 blackberries, 5 raspberries, and 5 blueberries. You can add banana if you want, but I don't like it, so I will skip it. But if you like, go ahead and add it. Next, I add half a cup of milk if you want. You can add more açaí. I add 1 more spoon because I like it thick. Then I add 1 spoon of peanut butter. You can add 2 if you want it strong. Now we mix everything for about 1 minute. After mixing, pour it in a cup. And put some granule on top if you want. And that's it. So easy, yummy and cheaper than coffee shops. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Stay tuned for more videos.